Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova to Lite. In this video I'll tell you what is the connectivity of this controller. This controller can be connected in three ways. Firstly, you can connect it with your PC via cable. Next, you can connect it via 2.4G wireless dongle, and in the end you can connect it via Bluetooth. For Bluetooth, press and hold home button and B button until home indicator light flash rapidly in blue. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.